Guys, welcome to my second video where we're going to apply our knowledge of classifying triangles. So whenever they give you a question and they ask you to classify a set of triangles, first figure out, are we using angles? Are we using sides, right? So whenever they give you a triangle, this small triangle here means triangle CDE. So follow it up. So we're having triangle CDE. Are you saying this is a triangle they want CDE? Are you seeing a right angle there, the 90 degrees? So that's a right triangle. What about triangle ABE? So let's follow. This is our A, B, and E right there. So this triangle here from A to B to E, we're seeing these signs here. If you remember very well, what do those signs indicate? This sign here, right there, and right there in that triangle. It means those angles are equal. So which triangle has all three angles equal? That's an angular triangle. So that's an equiangular triangle. Let's move on to classify. If you didn't watch my first video where I was talking about the introduction to classifying triangles, please watch that before. What about if they give us triangle B? So we're starting at B, we go to D, and we go to E right there. So we're having B go to E like that. Forgive my hand. It's not like, all right, so right there. So that triangle right there. You see, this is 90 degrees and this is greater than 90 degrees. So that would be an obtuse triangle, right? What about triangle CFE? What do you think? What type of triangle is that? A triangle where all angles are less than 90, call it. That's an acute triangle. So that would be acute. So yeah, what if we use the same knowledge? What if we're classifying now triangles using sides, right? If you have JKM, it's this whole big entire triangle, right? JKM. A triangle has all sides not equal. None of the two sides are equal. Like all sides are different. That's a scalene triangle. Let's find out what KLN. So starting from K, they want you to go to L, and then they want you to go to N. So K, L, right there, and then go back to the starting point, which was K, right there. What triangle is this? From this triangle, if you look at it very well, let me first delete the green. They're telling us this side is equal to this side. These two sides are equal. So what triangle has two sides equal? That's an isosceles triangle. And then finally, they're asking you for triangle JKN. So JKN right there. From J, we'll go to N and come back to the starting point, that triangle right there. So they're telling you that side is equal to that side and it's equal to that side. Which triangle has three sides equal? All the three sides equal. Equilateral triangle. All right. So guys, we used the knowledge of the first video to classify these triangles with the signs. All right, in my next video, we're going to integrate some algebra in this whole definitions of triangles and triangle properties. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.